The moon has always been a source of wonder, mystery, and endless questions. For centuries, people have looked up at the night sky and asked what secrets is the moon hiding. Some mysteries of the moon are so strange that even today, with all our science and technology, we still don't have clear answers. From bizarre structures to unusual lights, the moon seems to be much more than just a silent rock in space. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will change the way you look at the moon forever. One of the strangest mysteries is the question of how the moon was formed. Theories say it was once part of Earth, torn away in a violent cosmic collision. Others suggest it may have been captured by Earth's gravity long ago. But none of these theories completely explain why the moon is so perfectly placed in our sky, matching the size of the sun during an eclipse. It feels almost too perfect to be an accident. There are also strange reports of unusual lights flashing on the moon's surface. Astronomers have seen these mysterious glows for hundreds of years, calling them transient lunar phenomena. They appear as quick sparks or glowing patches of light, but nobody really knows what causes them. Could it be gas escaping, electrical activity, or something far more mysterious? Then there are the odd shapes and shadows caught on camera. Some believe that strange towers and dome-like structures have been photographed by lunar missions. While scientists explain these as tricks of light and shadow, others argue that the images suggest something artificial structures that don't look natural at all. If that's true, then who or what built them? Another mystery is the moon's hollow-sounding interior. During the Apollo missions, astronauts placed seismometers on the lunar surface. When part of the spacecraft was deliberately crashed into the moon, it made the moon ring like a bell. That strange vibration lasted far longer than expected, making scientists wonder if the moon might be more hollow than solid. The moon also has puzzling magnetic fields. Unlike Earth, which has a strong global magnetic field, the moon's magnetism is scattered in odd patches across the surface. Some lunar rocks are magnetic, but others are not. This strange pattern doesn't fit with what scientists know about planetary bodies, raising the question, why is the moon's magnetism so unusual? Craters on the moon add another layer of mystery. Normally, larger impacts should leave deeper craters, but on the moon, many large craters are oddly shallow. It's as if something beneath the surface is preventing them from going deeper. Could this suggest that the moon has a hidden protective layer or even an artificial shell under its surface? Another eerie puzzle is the way astronauts felt watched while on the moon. During the Apollo missions, some astronauts reported the strange sensation that they were not alone. Odd sounds and unexplained technical issues made them uneasy. Of course, NASA explained these as normal malfunctions, but many believe something else was happening out there. Then there's the moon's strange orbit. Unlike most moons in the solar system, our moon is unusually large compared to its planet. Its orbit and size make it unique, and some researchers have called it the strangest moon in the solar system. Some even suggest it might not be a natural moon at all, but something deliberately placed there. Finally, we have the mystery of ancient lunar knowledge. Old cultures across the world told stories about a time before the moon. Ancient legends from Greece, Africa, and South America speak of an age when there was no moon in the sky. How could people from such different lands all share the same strange memory? Could it be possible the moon really arrived later in Earth's history? ChatGPT said, some of the strangest mysteries of the moon come from ancient observations. Thousands of years before telescopes, people carefully tracked the sky, and many records speak of odd events on the moon. There are accounts of moving lights, strange shapes, and even dark figures crossing the lunar surface. Were these early observers simply mistaken, or were they witnessing something we can't easily explain even today? The moon wave's mystery adds to the puzzle. In recent years, amateur astronomers using powerful cameras have captured strange horizontal lines sweeping across the moon, like waves of distortion. Some say it's just an effect of the Earth's atmosphere, but others believe it could be evidence of something artificial, like a holographic projection hiding what the moon truly looks like. Then there are the unusual sounds picked up during Apollo missions. Astronauts reported hearing strange music on the far side of the moon, a haunting sound that puzzled even NASA. At first, scientists thought it was just radio interference, but many astronauts insisted it was different, almost like a signal. This has fueled endless speculation about what could really be out there. The dark side of the moon, which always faces away from Earth, is another source of endless mystery. Because we never see it directly from the ground. Early astronomers wondered what secrets it could hold. When spacecraft finally photographed it, they found a landscape that looked even stranger than the side we see, heavier cratering, odd features, and vast areas unlike anything familiar. Some say the dark side may hide things we're still not being told. One of the most chilling mysteries is the claim of hidden structures. Over the years, photographs released by space agencies have shown shapes that look like pyramids, towers, or even ruined bases. Most scientists dismiss these as natural formations, but many believe they are evidence of something ancient, maybe even intelligent life that once used the moon as a base. Another mystery involves water on the moon. For a long time, scientists thought it was completely dry, but in recent years, evidence of ice has been found hidden in deep craters where sunlight never reaches. This discovery raises new questions. If water has been there for so long, could the moon once have supported life, or could it even be a resource for future human colonies? Some cultures also believed the moon had a spiritual or supernatural influence. They saw it as more than just a rock. It was a guiding power, a watcher in the night sky. These beliefs may sound mythical, but what if they were based on real, unexplained experiences that people had with the moon long ago? Another unsolved mystery is why the moon controls so much on Earth. Its gravity is responsible for the tides. But some studies suggest it may also affect animals, plants, and even human behavior. Many people have claimed the full moon brings strange energy, accidents, or unusual events. Could there be a hidden science behind these lunar effects? There's also the mystery of moonquakes. Unlike earthquakes, these tremors can last for hours, shaking the lunar ground in ways scientists can't fully explain. Some believe they are caused by tidal forces from Earth, but others think they may hint at something unusual inside the moon itself, something we still don't understand. And finally, the ultimate mystery. Why do so many strange stories about the moon exist in the first place? From myths and legends to unexplained scientific puzzles, the moon seems to carry secrets that humanity has only begun to uncover. Maybe one day, with new missions and technology, we'll finally unlock the truth, but for now, the moon remains one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Do you want me to continue with the last 10 paragraphs to complete the 30? Some researchers have pointed out another mystery: the unusual rotation of the moon. The moon always shows the same face to Earth, a phenomenon called tidal locking. While science explains this with gravitational pull, many people wonder if it's just too perfect. It almost feels as though the moon is deliberately positioned, hiding its far side from our constant view. There are also claims from former scientists and military insiders who suggest that the moon may be more than it seems. Some believe it could even be an ancient artificial satellite, placed in orbit long ago by an unknown intelligence. While mainstream science rejects this idea, it continues to spark debates and theories all over the world. Strange shadows have been spotted moving across the moon's surface by both professional and amateur astronomers. These shapes appear to travel quickly, almost as if something is flying over the lunar landscape. NASA often dismisses them as space debris or optical illusions, but the sightings continue to this day, keeping the mystery alive. Another unexplained puzzle is the moon's influence on sleep. Studies have shown that during certain phases of the moon, people report having more vivid dreams, restless nights, and even unusual feelings of anxiety. While scientists search for biological explanations, many think the moon might be affecting us in ways we don't yet understand. The ancient mystery of two moons also fascinates me. Some ancient texts and traditions describe seeing two moons in the sky at the same time. Could this be a poetic way of describing an unusual celestial event? Or could it point to a lost part of Earth's history, when another moon or massive object shared the sky with us? The missing lunar rocks from Apollo missions add more strangeness to the story. Many samples brought back from the moon have mysteriously disappeared from museums and collections around the world. Some were stolen, others misplaced, and a few simply vanished. Why are these moon rocks so sought after, and why can't we keep track of them? There is also the mystery of the moon's age. Some rocks brought back from the lunar surface are billions of years older than any rocks found on Earth. If both formed from the same material, How can the moon hold pieces of matter older than our own planet's surface? This deepens the puzzle of where the moon truly came from. Even stranger is the idea that the moon might influence time itself. Some researchers suggest that without the moon stabilizing Earth's tilt, our planet's climate and days would be wildly different. In a sense, the moon may be the reason life, as we know it, even exists. But was this perfect balance a cosmic accident or something more? Some believe the moon may have been used as a base for watching Earth. From its position in space, the moon has a perfect view of our planet, and its surface contains many hidden craters and caves that could easily shelter things from our eyes. While this remains in the realm of speculation, it's a theory that refuses to die. And finally, the greatest mystery may be that the more we study the moon, the stranger it becomes. Every answer seems to lead to more questions. Is it just a lifeless rock? Or does it hold secrets that could change our understanding of the universe? For now, the moon remains silent, keeping its secrets locked away, waiting for the day humanity is ready to uncover them all.